Hi, my name is Stefano Casino, and this is my recording of my exam one, part three. So just a brief overview of the code here in the main and in the main function. All the variables set, including the state variable that initializes the switch statement over here. And right here, the user is prompted to enter the current time in hours and minutes. So this will then initialize an infinite loop that runs the state diagram that I submitted for my test, which is a 5-state diagram. And just a brief overview. Case number one, it's the base state of the clock, and it just displays current time and asks the user if they want to set the alarm or activate it. In which case they want to set the alarm, it goes to case two, in which the user gets to set the alarm, or the time for the alarm in hours and minutes. And if they want to, activate to set the alarm, and 50 seconds have not passed, then it goes back to state one. And 50 seconds have passed, the variables are not stored, and the system goes back to state one anyway. And in state one, the user decides to want to activate the alarm. It goes to state three, in which the user can enter the current time and decide if they want to deactivate the alarm. If the current time equals the set alarm time, the system jumps to state four. If not, it goes back to state one. And in state four, the alarm goes off. And the user can decide to deactivate or snooze the alarm. If they deactivate the alarm, it goes back to state one. If they press the snooze, and 20 seconds have not passed, then the system goes to state five. And state five is just as similar to state three, in which the alarm is active. But in order to redefine the variable of t snooze and not mess up the previous variables, I created a different state. And in this state, if the new time that the user enters is 2 minutes ahead of the previous time the alarm was set off, so t snooze, the system goes back to state four, and the alarm goes off again, and the user is prompted to either again deactivate snooze, or if 20 seconds go by, the alarm is just reset. So now I'm going to run the code to show you the outputs, show you code how it works. So let's say the time is 10:30, and I want to set the alarm. I don't want to activate it yet. And time for the alarm is going to be 11:30. I want to set the alarm. 50 seconds have not passed. So now the system jumps to state one again. State one, I don't want to set the alarm. It's been set before. I want to activate the alarm. So it goes now to state three. State three, I enter the current time. The alarm was set to 11:30, so I'm going to enter 11:30. And I do not want to deactivate the alarm. So as you can see, the alarm goes off as it is expected. I do not want to deactivate it, so I'm just going to show the snooze function. And I would like to press snooze, and 20 seconds haven't passed because I pressed snooze before that. So the alarm is active, it's snooze. I just wrote the snooze here because as I mentioned before, I have to separate state four and a snooze alarm than just a regular active alarm. But it could have just looked like this one, just did it for reference. So now I'm going to enter the alarm was set for 11:30, 11:32, which should activate the alarm again since it's 2 minutes past the previous time the alarm was set. And I do not want to deactivate the alarm. So as you can see, the alarm goes off again. Since it went off again, I don't want to deactivate it. I just want to show the function that if I don't press snooze and 20 seconds have not passed, the alarm keeps going off. Since 20 seconds have not passed, the alarm should be going off, and I didn't do anything. I don't want to snooze, I didn't deactivate. So in this case, I don't want to deactivate yet. I don't want to press snooze. I just want to show that 20 seconds have passed. So if 20 seconds have passed, oh, my bad, I entered the wrong input. So don't want to deactivate, don't want to press snooze, and 20 seconds have passed. The alarm goes back to state one. And now to show the function in which the time set and deactivates, I would like to set the alarm. Yes, I would not like to activate the alarm. So let's say 11:40. I would like to set the alarm, but 50 seconds passed. So now that 50 seconds have passed, the variables were not updated. They just stayed the same. And I would like to set the alarm. No. I would like to activate the alarm. Now the alarm is active. I want to set the alarm to 11:32. Since this is just if I was just pressed deactivate the alarm without setting the alarm, it should just go off. That's how I interpreted it. So I'm going to enter the current time, 11:32. I would not like to deactivate the alarm. It goes off. Now I'm just going to show the function in which I set deactivate the alarm. I want to deactivate the alarm, so I don't want to snooze, and 20 seconds have not passed. So yeah, it goes back to state 1 now that I just deactivated the alarm that went off. And another function this has is that I can at any time deactivate the alarm. So if I just want to set, I want to set the alarm. I would like to activate the alarm. No. Back in set mode. I'm going to enter the hour of the alarm, 11:45. Let's set the alarm. Yes. No. So it goes back to state 1. If I would like to set the alarm. No. Would you like to activate the alarm? Yes. And I'm just going to enter the current time, 11:35. We'll actually deactivate the alarm. And as you can see, the time is not the same. It's not the alarm time. It's just 3 minutes past, not enough to reach the time the alarm was set to go off. So it goes back to state 1. If I would like to set the alarm, no. We're going to keep the one already set. I would like to activate the alarm, yes. And I'm just going to enter the current time, 11:45. But in this case, I want just to deactivate it because that's a function the user has. The user can deactivate the alarm anytime they want. So I want to deactivate it, and it goes back to state 1. So I believe this is most of the functions that the alarm should have, and it goes through all the states and works as I expected it to work. So if you have any concerns or any questions, please don't hesitate to reach me. Thank you.